In this video, we're going to talk about liquid conversions. Now, there are some facts you just need to know. There is some different ways that you can go about memorizing it. But let's take a look at an ounce. Now, I am not an artist, nor will I ever claim to be, but let's think about that we have this little 1 ounce cup for liquid measurement. Now, an ounce is the same as 30 milliliters. So that's a fact you're going to have to know. That's what they asked here in number 5. Now, a cup is 8 fluid ounces, which if an ounce is 30 milliliters would be 240 milliliters. Now, in the US, it's 240 milliliters. There is European liquid measurements slightly different, so sometimes you will see that 250 milliliters, but most of the time we're going to use the 240 milliliters. Some other interesting things, a tablespoon is half of an ounce. So if you think about if you cut this in half, that tells us that a tablespoon, capital T or TBSP is also acceptable, is 15 milliliters. So you would need 2 tablespoons in order to make an ounce. So if we look at an ounce is how many milliliters, that would be 30. A cup is 240 milliliters or 8 ounces. Those are just common things you need to know. We also know that a tablespoon is 3 teaspoons, which is a lowercase t you want to use. That's what we see right here. So a teaspoon would then be, if we think about if we need 15 milliliters to make a tablespoon, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So since these are equal to 15, that would very clearly, hopefully, tell us that a teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And I saw that right there. Okay. So there's lots of facts that you just have to know. Liquid measurement, you're going to have to make sure that you memorize those so that you can do calculations with those measurements. Another measurement little tool that I think is helpful for liquid measurement, I'm going to add a page here so you can see a little clear. It is kind of an interesting little visual that might help you to memorize your liquid measurement. So I'm going to make this my big G here. I'm going to make that 1 gallon, and I'll write that over here. Now a gallon is equal to 4 quarts, so I'm going to put 4 big Q's in here. And then inside my not very attractive Q's, but yeah, my Q, so that's 4 quarts. So let's write that. Inside every quart, there are 2 pints. So let's make 2 big P's. And I make them big enough so I can fit some stuff in there. So let's think about what that gave us. That gave us that 1 quart is 2 pints. And then we know that 4 quarts, if you count the number of pints in there, 2, 4, 6, 8, that would be 8 pints. So that's kind of interesting. Now we're going to go inside of our pints. And again, try to make them kind of, I'm going to put 2 C's. A pint is equivalent to 2 cups. So if 1 pint, let me try to keep the color so we can kind of keep track of things here. A pint is 2 cups. So let's go backwards and just focus on the quart itself. Inside the quart, we have 4 cups. So a quart is 2 pints or 4 cups. A gallon, I'm going to move this because I forgot how much room we're going to need for that one. A gallon, if we count up the number of cups inside of that gallon, every pint has 2 cups. We had 8 pints, so that would be 2 times 8, or 16 cups within our gallon. And I'm going to take it down one more step. And you could put a little 8. That's 8 fluid ounces in every cup. So we could go all the way down. Sorry, my 8s are getting a little... Okay, to 8. We know that 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So 2 cups or a pint would be 16 fluid ounces. 4 cups would be 32 fluid ounces. Sorry, I'm running out of room there, running into my G. And so 16 cups would be 128 fluid ounces. So just a little visual I like to show about going from larger measurements all the way down to fluid ounces. So there you go. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.